By watching this video, you can save at least $24,000 a year. This is the amount you pay to someone good to run advertising for your business. You can also earn 6-7 figures a year by running Facebook advertising for other companies. I am an official Meta advertising partner. I have been running Facebook advertising since 2010, created thousands of marketing campaigns for my own businesses and for my 6, 7, and 8-figure clients. I have attended multiple Facebook and Instagram advertising masterclasses and paid thousands of dollars for them. So you don't need to. The most crucial lessons are in this video. Why Facebook and Instagram ads? Facebook and Instagram advertising helped me to grow my e-commerce brand from 0 to 7 figures, and you can see here the data from 2016 to 2024. I am also getting high return on advertising spend every month. Here you can see 41, 19, 22, 6, 32, and I just touch my advertising campaigns few times a year. How to run Facebook ads as an expert while being a beginner. To run Facebook ads as an expert, you must understand two things. First one is simple. The second one requires a little bit of practice. So number one, you need to understand Facebook ad account structure. And number two, you must understand how to build a marketing funnel inside your ad account. Facebook ad account structure has 3 levels. Level number 1, campaigns. You can create multiple campaigns for each category of your website, or you can create one single campaign and promote multiple categories or products using ad sets. Ad sets are the second level. A campaign can have multiple ad sets like you see here. Here is the campaigns. I click on the campaign and then I see multiple ad sets. Ad sets can help you target and test different audiences for the same product, target and test different platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, for example, then target and test different products to different audiences, and then target and test different devices like mobile or desktop, and then last one, target and test different placements like Facebook news feeds or Instagram stories. And level number 3 are ads, where you are using your videos and pictures, also called creatives. Campaigns, ad sets, ads. 3 levels. By the end of this video, I will teach you what creative to use to achieve the highest possible performance. That's all you need to know about Facebook ad account structure. Now let's speak about the magic, the only meta advertising strategy to make you an expert, exactly saying how to build a marketing funnel inside your Facebook ad account. I use a marketing funnel with 3 primary campaigns for the majority of the accounts that I manage for my own businesses and for my clients. Knowing how to build that specific funnel will instantly help you to achieve the best possible results and also bring you to the top marketing experts and agencies in the world. So how do you create Facebook advertising funnel? A marketing funnel inside Facebook will also have 3-level structure. To do so, you will need to create 3 marketing campaigns. Campaign number 1, top of the funnel or prospecting, will be addressed to the people who don't know about our brand yet. Campaign number 2 will be addressed to the people who already engaged with our Facebook or Instagram content but haven't visited the website. Campaign number 3 will be addressed to the people who took specific actions on our website but haven't managed to make a purchase. And optionally, you can create a loyalty campaign to encourage existing buyers to make a purchase again. This is something possible to do once you have a bigger customer base, let's say more than 500 customers. Also, by the end of this video, I will teach you how to target Facebook audiences for TOFU, MOFU, BOFU and loyalty campaigns like a pro. After a decade of working with Facebook advertising, I strongly believe there is no better marketing strategy than this simple funnel, which will position you as an expert while being a beginner. If someone tells that they know a better strategy, it's most probably not true. If you have doubts, feel free to test their strategy and compare the performance. To compare the performance and become successful Facebook and Instagram advertising expert, you need to master data analytics. Let me teach you this skill very quickly. Once you master data analytics, it will be easy for you to establish and manage a marketing budget, predict success and failure. You will know when to pause specific campaigns and when to scale. Mastering data analytics will give you very high confidence. To be successful with Facebook and Instagram advertising, you must know how to measure and work with the following key performance indicators: cost per click, click-through rate, add to cart, cost per add to cart, checkouts initiated, cost per checkout initiated, purchases, cost per purchase or cost per customer acquisition, purchase ROAS, return on advertising spend, and conversion rate. Cost per link click is influenced by the country, niche, and creative you are running. Usually, the higher the click-through rate, the more attention your advertising is getting, the less you will pay for the click. For example, here I have 8.99% click-through rate, which means that almost 9%, which means out of 100 people who see my advertising, 9 are clicking on it, so the cost here 0.71. Cost per add to carts helps you to predict profitability of the product and pause your ads on the early stages to avoid losing money. Like I did here, for example, I noticed that the cost per add to cart is too high for my product, so I pause the ad. The cost per purchase should be ideally 50% of your profit margins. For example, if you buy a product for $100 and you sell it for $300, then your ideal customer acquisition cost is $100, which is 50% of your profit margins. In that way, you will be able to run profitable advertising campaigns with profitable return on advertising spent, like you see here. And of course, the conversion rate, the higher the better. You must know that the conversion rate can be optimized on two levels. On your advertising level by having a marketing funnel in place, plus a very nice creative offer, and website level by having professional product pictures, videos, description, titles, product reviews, and so on. For the products that are priced between $50 to $300, I am achieving 1 to 4% conversion rate. For products that cost more than $1,000, achieving 1% conversion rate from paid advertising it's almost impossible. I do have a 0.24% conversion rate for high-ticket products. Now let's speak about marketing budget. You need to establish your marketing budget based on revenue estimations and customer acquisition cost, profitable customer acquisition cost. For example, you are selling the product that costs $300. Your production cost is $100. Your profits are $200. So as I previously said, you must be willing to invest up to 50% of your profit margin to get one single client, $100 in this case, customer acquisition cost. How many clients do you need to achieve $10,000 a month profit? 100 clients. Subsequently, your marketing budget will be $10,000 a month. 70% of this budget goes towards top of the funnel, 20% towards middle of the funnel, and 10% goes towards bottom of the funnel. You can invest a small amount also in the loyalty existing buyers campaign to make existing customers buy again from you. Once you understand this information, you can easily apply this scenario for yourself or your clients. This is not a financial advice, it's just an estimation. The results of your marketing activity can vary from product to product, from service to service, from country to country, from funnel to funnel, and so on. It's very hard for any guru or expert to achieve profitable results with paid advertising. And please remember that the product is the king. You cannot make a bad product profitable, even with decades of experience in marketing. Now let me show you how experts are using Facebook targeting. For the top of the funnel type campaigns, you have three options to target: broad, lookalike, and normal audiences. Broad means that you are going here to detailed targeting and you leave it empty. I advise just select the gender and the age of your potential audience. And then you will give the power to Facebook to find your buyers on his own. And this is like a magic. The targeting as a concept was very important before 2021. But now, after the iOS update that happened a few years ago, the importance of targeting lost its essence. And right now Facebook can find your audience without any targeting. Option number 2 are lookalike audiences. Also important, and you are telling Facebook, hey Facebook, build an audience of people who took specific actions on my website. For example, I would like to build an audience of people that are similar to the buyers or similar to the people who clicked on add to cart or just visited the website. And you build your lookalike audience. Usually it goes from 1 to 10%. 1-2% are the best in terms of performance, must be targeted through custom audiences. And when you target lookalike audiences, you leave this section empty as well. And then option number 3 are normal audiences or normal targeting. Let's say that your product is related to architecture and you want to target architectures. You go to the browse section, you go to demographics, you go to work section, industries, and here you have architecture and engineering. Let's say you sell the jewelry and you want to target everyone who have interest in Cartier as a brand. So you target that Cartier. For the middle of the funnel, you target people who already engaged with your Facebook and Instagram pages like this through custom audiences as well. And for that, you need to click on create new custom audience. And here you click Instagram, after that Facebook. So Instagram, go ahead and you can create 30 days Instagram engagement in 30 days. You create the audience like that. You also can create different segments, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and test them separately, in that way growing your return on advertising spend. For the bottom of the funnel, you target website visitors. Again, this is done through custom audiences, which you need to create. Very easy to do, custom audience. Then you select the website as a source, and then you have to select 180 days, or again you have to segment by number of days, 30, 60, 90, 7, 14, depends on your product and your strategy. I usually go 180 days and then I do segmentation and create different advertising for each segment. And for the loyalty or existing buyers type campaign, I do use an email list which I connected from my email marketing software to Facebook, and it automatically updates. I also use custom audience for that. Now I will teach you the secrets behind profitable Facebook advertising formats. And the first secret is that the concept of making outstanding Facebook advertising creatives is over-exaggerated, same as Facebook audience targeting. If you sell car parts, cars, furniture, home decoration, jewelry, a simple carousel with static images like this will help you to achieve the highest possible performance. To improve your static images, use Pixel Cut. It will help you to improve your click-through rate, conversion rate, and decrease your customer acquisition cost. For example, I will select AI photo shoot and I will upload an image on the white background like that. And then I will be able to see multiple versions which I can use on my website and my advertising as well. I have plethora of brands that deliver the highest possible performance with static images like you see here on my screen. Some products require a creative approach, so that you would need to hire someone to produce multiple videos with the same product so that you can test them and see which one works the best for you, which one brings you the highest possible performance. Ad production services such as viral e-com ads are very affordable. Send them your product and get as many creative concepts as possible with your budget. I also recommend to record yourself and present your product like we did here with Botanical Rituals. For example, Erica, the owner of Botanical Rituals, had a prepared script from my end and that she used in her advertising, and we managed to X5 her sales in less than 2 weeks with just this format when she is talking about her products. I have multiple cases when a simple picture outperformed any video creation technique or strategy. Again, you have to test for yourself and see which one works the best for your specific product. That's it for today. Congratulations, you are an expert now. Please like, comment and share this video. It will help me to grow my channel and create more videos like this.